Hi, this is Shankar. Today I am going to explain the third experiment for basic SQL functions. I am going to have to use aggregate functions, group by, order by, class and built-in functions to execute these commands are given. Already I have created the tables, you already know. Now I have to enter these commands and I have to show these aggregate functions and group by functions in the tables. So for the first one, I have to say how many orders are placed by the journal. Here I have to use an aggregate function called count, which will have count all the order ID and it will show how many orders have been placed. So C, select select count. So it has been order placed by Jonah. So it has to check and verify the where conditions and it will show. See, where condition, customer ID. I am linking the order table and the my order table and customer table in this, and I am going to show the order number of order ID. So the number of order ID is 3. So next question, what's the maximum quantity that has been ordered? So I have to check what is the maximum quantity. So copy. So here the maximum quantity that has been ordered is 20 quantities. So it has been ordered first. So then display the details of the customers who have ordered the product whose price is minimum among the all products. So I have to find the minimum value for the among the all products. So I will show you. So here the minimum, my price has been ordered. Here we have to use a subquery, select minimum price of the order. With that price, if it's equal to that, when the minimum price, it will be equal to that, and if it matches, then it will show all the values. Now if you see, you can see that John Doe is the customer ID who has been ordered the minimum quantity in our table. Then display the average price of each product. So the average price we are going to see. So this is the average price is 2120.65 among the products. I have 4000 and everything. So the average value, average price is this one. Then find the total quantity ordered for each product. So the total quantity will be found by the sum function. This is also an aggregate function. So here the sum quantity for the product ID is 10, then 2000, for 2000 is 20, for 1000 is 20, and for each I can show the values. In the same way I can also apply the same above value like average price, right? So I can show the same average price value and for the above product and sum as well. So I'll show you average so you can see average price of each product. You can also see like that. So this is the thing. Then find the total quantity order for each product. We have finished that. When they find the number of orders placed on each date. So for each date I have to search. So here I'll show you same sum value by using group functions. So here each value it has been different. So by group function the order date will be grouped and it will be counted so that the aggregate function can find the sum of each product. So here you can see for the 10 it has 61, for the 2 it's 20, for 3 then again 114 October is 20. So this is the sum ordered quantity. Then how many products have been ordered in each order. So for each order means same thing, I have used to group ID method and I have to find the values, right? So how many products, so I have to show the count of it. So for each product the product ID and the count is 1. I have everything used only one time for the order ID, so it's showing only 1. Then sort the table based on the order date. So sort the table based on the order date is this one. So now the select star from order by order date. If I give ascending order, it will show the ascending. So this is by order date. So from 1, 2, 3, then 10 October. If I have to show in descending, so now it's can see 10, 3, 2, 1, etc. So order, then display the product whose quantity is more than 3 or orders and sort the table of the sum ID. So I have to use sum in you can see you have to use the sum of the quantities, and for each the quantity should be greater than 3. So I have to use the aggregate function and I have to group by it. Wait, I'll show you. So here it's all 20, 14 and 61. That's why 3 is a small number, so that's it. Then if I give as 20, then you can see the changes in that. Then display the order ID of descending order of order quantity. So descending order of order quantity is, so the order quantity is in descending order. So I have grouped, I ordered and I will show you in descending order. See, the order quantity is 20, then 14, 11, and according to that the orders order ID, product ID and price are different. Then display the names of customers in uppercase. For uppercase we can use the aggregate function as upper, so it will convert all the characters into an uppercase value and it will show it. So here the values, you can see John Doe, Mary Smith, Richard Newman and Jojo. So I have displayed everything. Then find the number of months between. Here I have to use months between function. I will show you the current date is 21 August 2017 and I have to show the order date on the order ID 103. So the order date from the order ID 103 from dual. So here I will show you. See, the date, the months is showing is 34.5850. So I will show the current date and the date in that. It's already I gave a subtotal. So now if I give that, it's showing the same date here, right? So the date, the subquery has been found the same values and it showed the number of dates. So this is done. Then prefix the postal code with zeros. So here I used numbers, but we can have only the concatenate functions in the varchar. So I am casting it to a varchar and I will show you. See, updating. So 4 rows has been updated. So select star from customer. So now you can see. Then now I'm going to show you the values, right? You can see this. You have to find the substring of a Newman from Richard Newman. So I will show you on the substring method. See here Newman is, and you can see the value substring Newman is being shown. Now display the names with ending with E. So I have to use the matching pattern methods. So I will show you. See, now John Doe and Jojo having the ending with the letter E. So with that I can show you. So that's it. So this is the third experiment. I have used aggregate, order by and group by method, and also some of the concatenate methods and substring methods and matching patterns to show this result. Thank you.